Right behind Natalie, we have the cutest boy in the whole world. Give it up for Richard Steve on the keys. Down. Thank you so much. It's been such a great night. We are back every second Friday here at Grossman's. We are Sound One. Thank you so much. Tip your servers and get home safe. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!